Demystifying the present continuous tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic in English grammar, the present continuous tense. More specifically, we'll discuss how to form affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences in the present continuous tense. Let's dive in. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, describes an action that is happening at the current moment or around it. The structure for this tense is subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. For instance, I am reading a book. Keep in mind that am, is, and are forms of the verb to be. Affirmative sentences in the present continuous tense state that an action is occurring. Here is the structure: subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. For example, I am studying English. She is playing tennis. They are eating dinner. For negative sentences, we simply add not after am, is, or are. So, the structure becomes subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb ing. Here are some examples. I am not studying English. She is not playing tennis. They are not eating dinner. When forming questions or interrogative sentences, we change the order of the subject and the be verb. So the structure is am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing. Check out these examples. Am I studying English? Is she playing tennis? Are they eating dinner? To make learning easier, remember these tips. 1. Use contractions to make your speech or writing more natural. For instance, I am can be shortened to I'm, she is, to she's, and is not, to isn't. 2. The present continuous tense is often used with time adverbs such as now, at the moment, currently, and today. 3. The present continuous tense can also describe future plans that are certain. For example, I'm traveling to Spain next month. That's all for today's lesson on the present continuous tense. We've explored how to construct affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. We hope this has made the concept clearer and more approachable. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!